Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Photos app. You can press Command Space and type Photos. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled in System Settings or plug in your device with USB-C. You want the library to be available. Once done, allow Photos to finish indexing. This creates thumbnails and detects faces. If a prompt asks to import, choose Import All or Review Selected Images. You're initiating the only reliable path to view every photo on a MacBook Air. You now navigate within Photos. Click Library for Timeline, Albums for curated sets, or People to find faces. Use the search box to type a date or a name. Photos uses on-device analysis to surface matches. Once you select a photo, press spacebar for quick look and swipe with 2 fingers on the trackpad to move between images. Make sure to switch to moments or years to change granularity and use the Filters menu to narrow results. To finish, export or share what you need. Select Photos, then File Export to save originals or edited versions. Set format and size and click Export. Use the Share button to send via AirDrop or messages, or add to an iCloud shared album to keep sync. If images don't appear, quit Photos, restart your Mac, and check System Settings Apple ID iCloud Photos. Sometimes signing out and back enforces a library refresh. That often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.